Dr. Stacy Avakian, Back Pain Relief Center. We're in Vineland today. Well, I'm only in Vineland. I'm here with Andres. He comes in for injuries that he had from an auto accident. And he's been coming in for a little bit, so he's actually doing really well and progressing nicely. And his treatments are becoming a little bit more simplified as time goes on and his injuries start to heal. So today we're just going to do one of his adjustments. So when he initially came in, he had a lot of pain coming from his low back and radiating around to the very front of his hip, almost into the groin area. And that's pretty much all gone. Now his pain is just a little bit up here and a little bit down here sometimes. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Respira. Well, tight today. So this just helps to get the joints moving a little bit and break up some of the tightness. There's a little more tightness today than he did the last time I saw him, but that's normal. You know, everyone fluctuates depending on what they do in a day. All right, de lado?
No.
Derecho? De lado?
De lado.
Sí.
Okay.
Good. That's good. You know, other side.
Izquierda.
Izquierda. Sí, sí. Gracias. We're getting there. Good. All right, yep. Sí. Poco arriba. Poco bajo. Didn't give me a chance to help you. All right, we're gonna go ahead. So that's his adjustment for today. Now we're gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of soft tissue therapy to help with some of the tightness that he's feeling up here. A little bit of ice, make sure he doesn't have any residual pain. Dr. Stacy Avakian, Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland.